Hey YouTube. I'm here today with something I wrote that I want to share with you all. I wrote this a couple months ago and I feel like it resonates so well right now to what's going on in this world, in this country. And it's called We Were Never Meant to Live Like This. We were never meant to live this way. So selfish, so consumerist, so arrogant and obsessed with the things we can have. We forget why God put us here. We forgot we had a mission. Our purpose is clear. Instead, we got distracted like ADHD by the new shiny thing. Hyperfixate, then get bored like we need something better. But instead of listening to what our soul is craving, instead of being led by our truth, we are eager to cling to the next lie time and time again. We run the rat race. We step on each other, outsmart each other, eat each other. To be what? The best? The survivor? We were never meant to live like this.